Hey guys, this is a short video, and it's basically because I ordered this for one of my godchildren, and his birthday is coming up. So I thought that hey, maybe let's get him a Lego set. This one is Spider-Man and Doctor Octopus, but when it arrived, I was so tempted to open it. So I did. Being a huge Lego fan myself, I couldn't help it. And now I find myself scanning through e-commerce sites in search for other iterations. So let's put the box here for reference. So what's in the box? So there's the manual. Would you believe that this is for a 4-year-old kid? I don't think I can build this. Of course I can. So this is very nice. But back in the day when we used to have those Lego buckets, there wasn't any that I know of, right? There wasn't any manual. It's just our imagination. So let's open this up. Let's see. So you have to forgive me because I don't know what the proper way. I mean, if there's a proper way of opening these things. Let me grab my scissors. Okay. It's just... So I used to own a few Lego buckets, but of course life happened and I put them away. I think I kind of gave them to my my cousin. Let's see. Ooh. Some of the parts are... They keep rolling. Okay. So this... Oh, wow. Look at the detail. This is Spider-Man. This is the rest of his body. Oh. This is so cool. This is a 4-year-old's toy? Seriously? This is really cool. Okay. So I guess let's put Spider-Man there. Let's build Dr. Ock. His head keeps rolling. Dr. Ock looks like... No, I mean... Yeah, he does look like... He looks like Vi from League of Legends. Or at least the hair does. How exactly is he an octopus? I mean... Something's connected in his back. Huh. But what? So we need to find all of his limbs. I found him, but how do we put it together? Well, these are the wheels, obviously. I miss playing Lego. Actually, I've been meaning to buy my own set. It's just that I really haven't had the time to do it. And you know what? The only reason I stumbled upon this was because of the Lazada promotions that are ongoing. And the Legos are on sale. So of course, by all means, we would try to procure what we can. It goes here. How does the lamp situation work? I'm not using the manual. I'm just basing it off the picture. Because... Why not? I mean... So this is the web. I suppose this is the scenario. I need this to make it stand. Alright. So there I have Spider-Man. I have Doc Ock without his limbs. So I'm yet to figure out. Okay. So this is it. So which is which? I think it's... Hold on. How does he wear it? Ah, it's around the neck. Oops. Oh, crafty. So I saw, well, not I saw, I checked out a couple of other iterations. And I'm very excited to receive them from Amazon, from Shopee, which is a local e-commerce platform in the Philippines, as well as Lazada. So, hey, Doc Ock. Doesn't look like Doc Ock to me, but okay. If he is Doc Ock, then so be it. And then, of course, the car. So, we need the bumper. So, the bumper... how hard is it to build a car? If a 4-year-old can do it, then so can I. Am I about to embarrass myself? Hold on. Let's see. Okay, so this is the base of the car. Which side is the front of the car? This. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. The bumper goes here. Okay. The logo goes here. Spiderman has a car? I mean, is this one of those... if this is MCU inspired, I would assume that this is one of the Tony Stark things. Right? So no. There's no chair. What on earth is happening? There's an extra limb. So in case he loses it, I bet. It can be a wrench. He's supposed to hold these things. What are these? This is so genius. Oh, this is so good. But he has an extra limb, so what if Spider-Man has the extra limb? He tore it off of, Dr. Ock's back. So these are the sides, I assume. What? No. I'm sure of it because ganyan. I think I'm wrong. Somehow. I need to look at the box. Okay. It's like that. Joke lang. Ganyan. I think so. And dalawa sila. Alright. Alright, so this is the back end of the box. So I'm sorry, this is impromptu, so I don't really have a setup yet for these assembles. But I might consider. Where do these go? controls? No, not really. I mean, is he gonna stand? He's supposed to be sitting. Well, he can always be a king. No, it's not. You can't do that. We can't disrespect Spider-Man. Well, I'm almost there. Does it look like it? Oh God. So this is spare. This is. Here comes Doc Ock. I mean, he can be trapped by the web, so that's fine. You know what? Screw this. Ah, there we go. Tama ako. Tama ako. Tama ako. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself for being right all this time. I was just in doubt. Well, I was in doubt for a moment. But thanks to this guide, they just confirmed my theories. This goes at the back. This goes here. Oh, hold on, just a blue one. Oh no, I might have gotten it wrong. Excuse me, sa harap. I see. All right, so this goes at the very top, and this doesn't go there. Sorry guys, this is hilarious. I haven't played Lego for years. For more than a decade. This is the only time that I've ever touched Lego bricks. And I am having fun. So this is the car. These are the spares. There's Doc Ock. Now I think I need a Lego board. And I need to buy the rest of the villains. So I'm going to enjoy this. And even the wheels are smooth. What if he is able to hold one of the webs? Interesting. Ha! Doc Ock. So there. So this is my quick assembly. Well, it wasn't so quick. I should be ashamed of myself. 4-year-olds can do it better, but hey, yeah. So thanks for staying. Let's put Doc Ock here, just so he's right behind Peter. And you know, he can always say hello, Peter. All right. Okay, I'll do another one once I get the rest of the gang. All right, guys. See ya.